And to the CEO of Stubborn Academy, Honorable coming back for Abronye, Abronye be charming. Was he as we had while coming back on Kwakwa. FMI Siena Omuya during the Ghana Armed Forces recruitment exercise. On Brigadier General Evelyn, Everman update to be Anna Ochrebu. 6 people died, but how was Osika Sayado? I want to say, a nipa na ewu no enkwan no ase akoko bi na ewu na ase wo ma update ase nye di akura na ewu eno ana kwan ba fa Abronye on other TikTok ave clash with Commander yi memo nchiri mu no akere wadwe amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need mu obe like video no da ma bo subscribe button na be click notification icon the latest update na be kere wadwe da amame e wo comment section me so ba so no one for anya bi ahwe na me ka say otofa Facebook ay page no e wo ho no mo Penyah block media a verified Facebook page link no ya pen e wo video we comment section but so ne be follow ye na ya build a family no together me do aso be say let's go to the story obeka ya Wednesday no ana jumere a course e wo Ghana had say a Ghana Armed Forces recruitment exercise as omo ye screen any other nipo bet omo fa wo no na omo egu ho ye ho je ya nesa na e ho no no. And in fact, 4 feet and water at a work sports stadium, there was an incident which led to a stampede occasion. Emma any pensia 6 F00LS animal said 6 no na presla eka ho bi na Matilda so eka ho bi just na Emma omunyina eyema mabu no ze omugina omo so omu pepe yi emansia omunyina to animal said Emma asem e bia rehosem. But before sana accurate figures of the casualties ebeba no na edin kan akụkọ from we say enipa 20 ewu enipa 50 ewu enipa 60 ewu enipa say ewu etima Felix Ofosu Kwaakye presidential staffer for communication the Brigadier General Evelyn bloggers and journalists say omo accurate figures of the casualties na hono ana ode ensem we atudwa.
She's going to address you on the details of the casualties in order to set the record straight. Yes. So please go ahead. Yes. Introduce yourself.
Very good morning to you all. I'm the commander of the 37 Military Hospital, Brigadier General Evelyn Abraham Pabia. I need to just get something straight. There's an erroneous information going out. The casualties we have that came through were 28 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12.
Don't run the castle. How na osi kasana? 6 people died, not 12. Like as a 6 ewu no as ewu no ewu no munyedu as ewu no munyedu ewu no munyedulu as ewu ni e normal as a munyedu like ewu no emunyedu as a I didn't trabi and no boss say I see trabi but as a munyedu na eno ana za comedian so a Abronye on the TikTokers have a clash with mommy.
We're 28 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12. Those who are critical and are in ICU are 5. We have 12 who are fairly critical. The rest are stable.
Madam into Obapa, no wonder says so Jaman Bakui, Echo see gay, prim gay near CNTB da. Like how children who are looking for a better future to serve their country, as me call for recruitment, I must stampede near the mempo if they have been recorded wrong figures. As a mother, you are coming to say something. See how vindictive you are. This sex is not so. If only one pempo na said you ya. Ne mami tifio when him send a ba. Or paying says what I can be an robber or quack was several country military. No wonder. Bebre no mo tete aban institutions no ko fu bebre so o mo bebre na me no kwatam ka che o se bebre na se bi o ma bodam na military crowd dey bobo because some of them no or they have passed through a lot and then they go to where they end as if say we owe them. Well, when right now to the Senate chair some who say we truly owe them as Ghana, we owe them an apology because I said you're more fam too much. I don't know some someone who swears for say or more to bicycle soon na and US crown is I can't say UK na or ye training class me be amfa nsan ko how much more enkwala maybe mu da hospital ebi ma wunti says and dem na just said ebi or more my prepare no ebi nko wubiem We are waiting for the death toll. But how as a mother, how so crowd uses our word? No, oh yeah, it's 21, not a year. No even remorse, no emotions to crowd and cry no more. No, you are. Yes.
8 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12.
Musampo say why mommy because on your mother. Why when him den why when him bury wouldn't show emotions Diana those who are there are 6 and not 12. Madam, half a person cry a person, half a person, and 2 what that you see to your young one. I see chia a diaka kedi just I want to share. What's in the 28 out of 28 not 6 only on your math no. And it will be left with 22 nebo. 22 no. And I'll say 5. And so you severely just more than life support so just said very, very badly injured. Member. It took 22, no, what is 5 in the free man. Got 17. So 17 now say 12 or so almost so somehow almost so I say critically ill bisa. One cash in your year 5. Madam, Nipa 28, that's a 5 pen or more kaya. Now out of 28 no class about penny we and gas and ketwa. Ah, those who die are 6. Copper babies now when him then they are there. Who say no wasn't county do copper babies are now go. Now we'll boost your 4 count to say half a person has died. A whole 6 people. I'm more maka eguguaya sabia almost fight to my life soon and those who die as if you're actually saying anything important as my instead of saying sorry to who have passed name or mobusu and sharing your condolences no sympathy share some phobia woody
and cry o ma free mu no abusia awofo any adofo any the government of Ghana e will be eni kwansa omo ma ne kwasa omo wo bi ka abusua ne adofo ne awofo ne aban ne yeden e wo bi ka san say we a total negligence on the part of the Ghana Armed Forces kana wa hana no say ni kwansa ma ne kwasa ya te say chief recruitment officer no Oma fire na and so what? Ma fire na and so what? A ban saying and a muntimi nyansi sheye Emma dakro a nipa 21,000 to 30,000 ebegu babi fakon. Why not be that? Ah, mo say mo quality. The Ghana Armed Forces more college Ghana Armed Forces College the whole Africa and a Nigeria military entity Africa nyina no mujitum say Ghana Armed Forces College college papa Nigeria baha ebetete military no de advanced military training Kenya Edo omunkrofo ba ha advanced military training Burkina Faso womo ba ha advanced military training because Ghana Armed Forces College go free one no ma Kofi Annan college omo de attach the Ghana Armed Forces so mu training military emo mutimi sua de kwa nimu efa bambo masters programs ahodo be ma mo nwuma nim ne ade na mu sua na kwa nimu disaster management security and peace management okwa Wamu jena afoni nyina abeka kiro say we have done this, we have done that, we have done this, we have done that. Mikita masters in peace and security. Mikita this and that from one college. nti enu ntino no qualify for your position ye di amawa justify say certificate na ekita no ade no usuan ene ye di certificate ne ma enya CV ni say ena mikita masters ahodo miensa na mienu na ade na ye di ahye wo nsa no ade na wo si wakwa akosua ne ye di hye wo nsa no wo toto papa so say bus security management we empty. Let's go and check the educational background. Training ahodo o maje. And crofona o mode konkonsa G position. Aka kire binum se o mo ye MPP for. Entini sankrofona nyina no aban we be successful as I say about general se be se 30 as so mu kofie konkonsa o de G position no general se diete ye ma o mu nyina nkofie enye sa o mu wo ho a ye G position na e ji se sankotwa o mu pruse because o mu ye senior o mu ye seniors our Ghana Armed Forces entimo de konkonsa aduma de asua o aduma practical training and na kire se obi ni made no. That is why abrofo they don't joke with practical training omfa ni agro and MBA so and masters in security management this and that ye ko train wa ni nyina no mokotena class wa no manum brubru no mada ade abati ne the certificate na monim hute. Oh, because yenye certificate into a china yaban eba beba amedi akwa konkonsa agipo to say where ye MPP ni into onko me na mikita certificate this and that ye de man wo no say what na Ghana Armed Forces yes 25 years near na enipa 21,000 to 30,000 eba body screening at a go. That's also why a security management. No one to anticipate to say at the chaos of Baba. My certificate in Ekitamono. As I say a question mo. As I say a question mo. Ah, a banner say no because wakwakoye peace a security and peace management. Now or catch say a nipa 120,000. Emra Greater Accra, Ewa Sports Stadium. Na yenye body screening. Na sankrofo we ni nam kroma. Cheche omo bati ewa yeso. Se omo ne kita security hunim die. Eti nanu ni esi ye no. Mo betima ba be ka kire ye se mo amoye in charge no. Mo akosuku agi security hunim die. Agrobi na mudie. Omo amobeka kire omo no ayam nkra na omo wo hanu ma wombe yam yesa masa but munya free watra kwana no pia bontena me wuntimi meka kire me se wo kita security hunim de meka kire se wo ye empty wakura no je obetima ka kire because no sa certificate no nibi nti obetim de ahunahuna no ewo Armed Forces ho because certificate no wakura na wo ka kire no sa certificate no onibi but me amemeti here Ultimate me can't me say, Ukita masters in this, masters in security management, masters in peace and one in disaster management. No wababa catch disaster management. And I'm a call US, and I'm a call yes security and disaster management. Now under your watch. What matna say? Say ye body screening, ye medicals. Na enkra 120,000 ye do amaba enkra by purposely they receive a raw message say come to airwork because almost send bulk messages na de come applicants no me boa HR no emfa messages na or mo de ma applicants na mra common sense should tell you say applicant bia or beba bia no as the same messages na more sending there should be a date, time of reporting and everything. Samosimo yam hwehwemu a Munyam hwehwemu krodin brojajamfi. You are a young guy who you say acting defense minister. Ato forcing. Would you your deputy or and I say ato forcing and ate. Yenim say e ba say ye ni tro soldier ho a you wo position no na timi di tro pa wo vetting and na ko withdraw ye. Nti yam fa no nto nchen. Na mom me ka kire wo na nwumre say Sisi ade hot 24/7. You are a young guy. Amabu ato forcing so me catch that one numere say. No disaster na see ye no. Enye investigation bia ebedi 1 day. Samo ye investigation ebedi 1 day. Mo just 2 weeks crash say. Wo mo fa nye investigation na mo nya madwene say. Mo ba investigate asem na see ye no. Munya madwene say mo ba investigate. Asem way 24 hours. As a sabana can report to ayere ababontin 24 hours. One man for 24 hours. I investigate the incident where you see ya. Na mo aminim ne mo pasa mo kachira Ghana for. Na kururu bi wo ho. Katasumu mu aso bi ya dan. E wo ho. Me amemeti report no ye clear. Say the director of HR our Ghana Armed Forces one and no I will be surprised. Because ekoba nyina no wono na ye in charge of this process. Ono necessary process na till the last end. ISSM crown pass it out. Yes. One necessary process na kopim say body selection no ebe wie na body selection we are my appointment. After do mo training. Ehwa na dey in charge of the training grounds are take over. Wo mo wie say pe Wama appointment letter kopinso mbeka 6 months probation nyina no. Esane back to who the director of HR also. Meboa beka chem say meboa. One question pe and I'm here in this investigation. Just one question. A ban is saying and a nipa 21,000. Woman nyina message. Ebegu 1 day. Just one question. Mumisa applicants, you know. No, mum fam text message. Applicants for no mum fam message ya mu receive ye ni bi mfa comment section ho emfamra. Na mu be hu message ya mu de send ma applicants, you know. E ho na be hu say amanfo binum to they are not serious. Any padoma ato form see common sense be catch say me mo nyina ba akra ha be go nipa 21,000 na enye yie enti Monday yen send the text message Monday Tuesday ye be screening nipa 5,000. Within a week, no more you send them a text message. Woman baba Monday no sukra what him. So from anopa 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Ye nipa ebia 2,500. From 12 noon to 5 p.m. Ye nipa 2,500. Near trend say day no. Mobile body selection and a screening no. Mobile 5,000. From Monday to Friday no. No matter ye nipa 21,000 no. Within a week no my day. My year mobile more time. Applicant biano or receiving a message here. Obe won say me as I said, between 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Na me wo ho. Because we text message ya on Sabakano. Say 12 noon, you have no business to be there. Where are common sense? Ya mama message say, as I said, me do what 3 p.m. and now 1 p.m. Mini business be as me ko gina ho 6 a.m. because at that time no yam frame. Enti sa ban ne de sa messages we num nyina ne koye. E na akra bi ya asodene. Ya ma akra bi message say, e 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and ye hia wo. Na akra ne ko ho 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Abaning ni business asem to na at that time no yam frɛ aban betima twe no afri ho because based on the text message I would send nipa no na so na de because yam 1 p.m. until 8 a.m. asem kokoto a enye aban no business. Aban has no business with you at that particular time. Nanam se mo ya dia mo mfa adwene nto ho nanam se mo boa mo nkrofo ano a mo pese mo do mo wura mu nti o wa mo mra ne yenye no ayi basa bi ne yenka o matiko no mo nko ne yempia ye nkrofo no ngom sa na mo te wa o mo yo me si echa no be ko no nko an nkrofo do mo wura military e bro 30 na busuafo na wo faasefo politicians fo a wo mo gina platform so ka to boy no mo tififire na HR nko afa ni patate na busuafo o faasefo no ma ton biadi e ya dia e koso MPP penso asiye e ba security recruitment asa na e ko no ma ton biadi ndiyam from mra na wo director HR Ghana Armed Forces wanko campaign said the ebia samejamfi call campaign oto nationwide wanko bi wanko campaign to say bia appear stadium call campaign wanko bi and so appear stadium be cross road to recruit onya nipa ba akokora onya appear stadium no call campaign no onya nipa ba akokora say yemfa no military Prophet na Jegezi campaign oye nyina military recruit wi ebia onya nipa ba akokora even Samejamfi as a national officer or told the whole Ghana year campaign adema andisi no me say military recruit wi ubekom na bia mienu pe ana nensaka mienu ana nensaka as a national officer ubekom na 2 pe ana nensaka na director HR ubekom no ono ko akita ni patate ofasiefo ne de keka ne ne aka no wafa ya dane ni sika na egubotom enti ya frankrofo ne basa eye manyamanya ne ya wo matiko yase mo nkwa ye bate mo nka ekwana ye fa so fro mu nyina ba ye no a strategy to disqualify them and put their people there. The leadership of the Ghana Armed Forces, a deliberate attempt. So, one person be a proper selection. And the young from Munamra, near more Matikono Munko. Because you or buy a papa go. Son of my own body selection, no. So, call this or more young medicals now. At time. The denier show say, oh, go. Yabafro, yes, next. Oh, go. Yabafro, near, oh, the next person, yes, oh, go. Yabafro, and ye deliberate to say, a man for or big or bob was seen on their top forms. Now, yeah, Mufi say, yeah, politician for near Jimmy, and I'm multi officer. Mufi say, yeah, politician for near Jimmy, there be a young kwasi Duma. Namuno eduru ho didi anamu mo didi na maka kire say momo de amon hye ayi political party atade nkwasiafo no bekwa akoye adwuma na ba ye na o mafa ye adwuma nti eduru a go politician di ayi list yaba no omo di go mo ba fra mo ba tie no na obi ti office no wasesa slot no na de ofasiefo no waton bi agi sika di enti ne esi ye no ye deliberate atwehwemu we no center on the kind of text message ye de send applicants no text message bang and I'm just sending applicants now. Woman in Abegu or at a go. And no kuano actually say some people must go. The text message alone, based on the text message, and kuano etimi mankrofo kofi. Actually say, sa atoranchem na siye man siano wu ye no. Eyo bin sano. Obi na ye san kwasiade no emom wuye because fi say politician for ne de ya na asem ba ebeba be ye MPP ni NDC no ma for omo ho di no si ho yes omo di bone ne de this ya ba fise mu ya nya na MPP NDC biem because fi say Ghana di asem ba nipa na odi bone no ti ho because on him say people opposition assemble ye de be politics na nipa boni ni no main corporate no shetokro mo na MPP ni NDC no mo ko media eti hwete sam na asem na say no kro na dida because MPP feel say opposition no can and no benya pa and this so feel say opposition no asem we na me kan bebo na ni nkrofo na mo wo institution wo government institution wo mo di bone a wo mo na ekoso chaos no na ye MPP NDC no ma for mo ho di na da bia nkwasiade na ekoso a the country is not moving. The country is not moving. Yetimi ye recruit na minister de wo miensa na director wanko campaign no ono afatate no watombi no wakebia mana busua eba ne say na bia obi a director of HR Ghana Armed Forces ne na busua for 30 eya sojafo matibida oye director HR oye soja ni a ono na ye fa sojafo ye in charge na butuafo mako tate ofasiefo o nanankansoafo se ni se me soaba me nanaba me yire adamfo ni yesese omagum yetia conflict of laws no ye kan conflict of interest no ye kan keke ya tire no obukumu but they apply and find a sanction and crofo and on my form wadi. Ewo kroma. The nuna samba ya because of say and crofo no who say politician because se utia semna pusiga MP. Eka ya. Ebede no biti ba bi onka say politician for no. Public sector for no ombe you see yes because say way a leader or constituency asemasi na nyawanwa and this if one ankasa disaster we asie ama nipa wuo na and this if one start enye nokre say nipa 12 na wuo eye sesipe eye nyanta kasa eye kasa nyansa wom. Now this is for on social media. Ignore the report. Only says. No masom only says. Says pena wo. Nipa ba kukura wua. Ewu wuya ya say ya. Nipa ba kupe. Obetima ka say ba kupe. Na and this communicators. No ma sisi ana feris Ofosu Kwaakye from Afre bloggers ni nyina muntinsim na munkasa enya nipa 12 na wu na ye only 6 ye only 6 ye only enipa nsia akomo ba somo man
ɛwɔ comment section. How you Penyah Brook Media, Accra.